The 13th question says a hockey ball of mass of the ball is 200 grams, and let us go for a quick conversion of the given data into SI units, which means it is 2 kg. He is traveling with a velocity of 10 meters per second, that is the initial velocity, and now it is being struck by the hockey bat and it returns. This ball has been moving with a velocity and now it has been hit by a hockey bat, and it is made to retrace its step by moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second. You can see that the ball is retracing its path and going right is positive, and now it is retracing, therefore it is negative velocity. Now we are being asked to calculate the magnitude of change of momentum. Change of momentum is nothing but final momentum minus initial momentum. This is change in momentum. This is the formula. And since both the object is the same, both the components is the same object, ball, therefore its mass is common for both the velocities. Now the rest is simple math. This velocity being negative, we place it here. The sign convention, the sign is placed here, and this velocity is positive, and finally the change in momentum is negative of 3 kg meter per second. Question number 14. Our observer is narrating a story where he is saying that a bullet of mass 10 grams. Let us do a quick conversion into SI unit. Is traveling horizontally with a velocity. So this observer is speaking about the velocity at the time of his observation, starting of his observation. Therefore the initial velocity of the bullet as per the observer. The reference point is most important here in the chapter, and the reference point here is the narrative is being, the story is being narrated by this observer, and he says that the initial velocity is so and so. If the matter is pertains to a gun, then the initial velocity will be 0, because before firing from the gun the bullet is at rest inside the gun, then the initial velocity will be 0. But now our observer himself is saying that the initial velocity is so and so, and this bullet, it is said by the observer that it strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 seconds. So comes to rest means the final velocity is 0, that is the keyword, and the time taken to come to rest is 0.03, that is it penetrated the wooden block to some extent with respect to this time. Now we are required to calculate the distance of penetration inside the block. We are being asked to find out the distance of penetration of the bullet inside the block, and also calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet, that is the stopping force of this block on the bullet. To find out the displacement, these are the only two formulae on hand, and for these two, to find the displacement, we have v, yes v, u and u, and there is no acceleration in the question given. Similarly here also acceleration is the bottleneck. So first we need to find out the acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but the difference of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity, and therefore it is quite easy to get to that by 0.03 seconds. Herein we have stopping acceleration, that is nothing but retardation, because the bullet has finally come to rest. With this, the speed has been decreased to this extent by the block. Acceleration on hand, we can use any of these two formula to arrive at the displacement, that is the requirement of the hour. Now plugging the values into the given formula, as you can see, this is struck to this and this square is being nullified here, and now we are left with only one unit, which is meters, and the answer comes to 2.25 meters. And the same answer can be procured by applying this formula also. As you can see, application of this formula, this cancels the square part and the zeros go, and these two zeros and the negatives will give the plus sign, and these two zeros will go here, and therefore S will be equal to 2.25 meters. So the answer for application of two formula gives the same answer. So we have this in hand. And finally we can find out the force, which is nothing but mass of the bullet into acceleration, which is negative of 5000 meters second square, and we have 5 newtons as the answer. And definitely it is a stopping force. The force exerted by the block on the bullet is certainly stopping force, therefore it is